Marriage. Amazing thing happened to me. But for some, it might be amazing. It is said to be the best way to have your legacy continued, though I was in a different world, fantasy world. Irrespective of childbearing angle to this world, I was thrilled to have a soul partner. जन्मों जन्मों का बंधन टाइप। वह दो पल की सहमति से सारी उम्र का बंधन, कितनी अजीब बात है। वह दो अंगूठियों के बदलने से परिवारों का मिलन, कितना अजीब रिवाज है। वह दो दिनों के मिलने से रातों को जगने का चलन, कितनी सही बात है। वह दो दिलों के मिलने से साथ मिला मनचाहा हमसफर, कितना हसीन ख्वाब है। I was amused with the thought that now I will be having one who will be loving my flaws. And when I got him, I found it's not like that. Rather, it's like having one whose promises are longer than his Instagram stories. His small talks can easily give me big feelings. He was sounding like a physics AC generator who can settle down my all chemical equations. Started believing in the thought ऊपर से जोड़ियां बनकर आती हैं, and was top of the world when heard not only those three magical words, but beyond that, something like, the day I met you, I found my missing piece. The best thing on this world is sharing a laugh with someone you love, the one who can transform your tears in smiles, and I got that one in my life. The tough part to handle was his absence. When he was not near, I used to spread his shirt on bed in my many alone afternoons to feel the smell of his body, and I could easily be like I am in his arms resting on his heart. It is said that it takes 21 days to make a habit, but this person has become the best habit of mine in 21 hours. He has transformed me. He has taught me that a person becomes 10 times more attractive not by their looks, but by their acts of kindness, joy, love, respect, honesty, and loyalty they show to each other. And funny part is this, that I have not learned it at all. But still his eyes and hands both want to hold me, accept me as I am. For the couples who have arguments should understand it's a bond between two different people, and one couple is said to be compatible when both accept each other and respect these differences. Positive side of being different in a relationship is that a couple can taste both the menu items ordered in a restaurant at the time of dating. Sometimes your mood is uplifted by your partner, and sometimes you need to do the job. You can bear mood swings of a small kid in you, but you gradually learn to manage mood tsunamis. Be a friend first, then the partner. Love doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be pure. No one can provide you a manual for this. Even Adam and Eve have to make it by their own. It is said, well said, the grass is always greener where you water it. एक दिन मैंने सोचा कि कह दूं तुमसे, न देना तुम धोखा दूर जाके मुझसे, पर फिर गहराई से सोचा, अगर कहना पड़े तुमसे तो फिर प्यार कहाँ है? तुमको हमसे और हमको तुमसे. You need to catch the replay before it is gone. Make few days labeled as Appreciation Day, Transparent Day, New Activity Day, etc. Ask yourself, are your habits helping you to evolve or revolve? A good husband or wife is not someone who is handsome, pretty, or wealthy. Rather, it is someone who understands the value of their spouse and treats them like their valuables, value their thoughts in every decisions. And I am lucky enough to say that in the world of pretty faces, I am glad I got a pretty soul.